Hello, my name is Jason with Land Pride Service, and today we're going to show you how to hook up an FDR grooming mower utilizing a quick hitch with a floating top link. First thing you want to do is make sure you have your bushing here for your upper 3-point. You want to make sure you have both your bushings on your lower 3-point. You've got both of your straps here on the upper 3-point. You've got your 4 washers on the inside here. And now we will back the tractor in and show you how to hook it up. Once you have your lower 3 points hooked up, you want to reach from the tractor seat. You can reach these levers and you flip them down to engage your lower locks, which are here, which locks it to your lower 3-point. Now that the lower 3-point is fully engaged, it's time to hook up the top. Pull your top strap over, slide your pin in, take your bushing, drop down into the throat, slide your pin through. You've got this strap with the 4 washers. Slide it through and secure it with the hairpin. Now, if the bushing does not set down into the hook, you adjust it here to where you get it set into the position where the bushing is in the throat of the hook. And at that point, you can hook up your drive line. Okay, this is going to be our Quick-Hitch 15 going on a single spindle rotary cutter. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that this part pivots, because that's where you're going to get your float from. You're going to make sure you have your lower bushings on the lower 3-point, and you're going to make sure that your hook is adjusted to the right height to your cutter. Okay, let's back it in and show you how it goes together. Now your tractor and your quick hitch is hooked up to your rotary cutter. You notice that the handles were in the down position, which lets it auto lock. You want to look down right here to make sure that the lower 3-point is locked in. And you want to look right down in here to make sure that the casting is set all the way down in the throat of the hook. You want to adjust your level right here with your 3-point adjust. And then we'll hook up the drive line. And now your cutter's ready to go to the field and work. This is Jason with Land Pride Service. Thank you for watching.